Welcome to the subject Business Intelligence. And today we have got session number 5. And the topic is the connected world characteristics of internet ready IT applications. Students, we are in chapter 1 and today's topic is the connected world characteristics of internet ready IT applications. Students, in the first chapter, you very well know you get introduced to the subject, so it gives overall idea about the subjects. That is why initially you will find that such a big topics are considered, but only overview is taken. So, first point, computer systems have evolved from centralized mainframe with connected terminals to system connected in a local area network, that is LAN, to distributed computing systems on the internet. So students, earlier computer systems were mainframe systems, you very well know, and many terminals were connected to it. Then further you could find development in the computer field and local area network was developed. That is, the computers were connected by a local area network. Then we have got distributed computing where on the internet, so that power can be enhanced. Point number 2, we live in connected world today. Computer networks are the basic foundation platform on which the entire IT, that is information technology infrastructure, is built. Students, today when you think of computers, you think of computer network. Okay. Point number 3, from the enterprise perspective, majority of the users access the enterprise and departmental applications either over LAN or through internet in a secure fashion. So students, today when you think about enterprise, that is a business, you can see that users access the departmental applications either over LAN or through internet, because businesses are spread worldwide. Today you don't find business limited to one locality. That is why they use LAN for the office purpose, or they use internet when they want to connect globally. Point number 4, most individual centric data is stored in laptops or tablet computers. But when you think of individuals information, it is always stored in laptop because it is used only for particular individual. It is a personal data. All the enterprise data that is critical to business is invariably stored on server systems spread across several locations with built-in mechanism for disaster recovery in the event of failure of any server. Students, you know, today data is available at different locations and you can access the data through the server, and even if there are number of servers and even if one server fails, other server takes over the job. Hence the data is always available. Point number 6, these servers are secured with several hardware or software security solutions so that unauthorized access and theft of the enterprise data is prevented. So there is security mechanism built in so that there is no unauthorized access or theft of the data. Next, we'll take up characteristics of internet ready IT applications. We'll go one by one. First, supports large number of users of different interests and abilities. Second, provides display on multiple devices and formats. Students, you know, there are different types of users. You have studied last year in DBMS. Okay, users are managers, supervisors, data entry operators, clerks, and of many office staff, and they want different types of output and format. Point number 3, deployed on large secure servers through license management software. Point number 4, supports single sign-on and supports special authentication and authorization requirements. Students, once you get connected to the internet through the accounts and the password, you can access all the services through that. Fifth characteristics, ability to run on any operating system. Today all the applications should run on any operating system, then only it is useful to the different users. Ability to use or connect to any RDBMS for data storage. 7, could be implemented in multiple programming languages or combination as well. Students, one should be able to run the software and implement the software any in programming language. Point number 8, leverages enterprise storage capabilities and backup systems. So there must be always backup systems for valuable data. Ninth, supports extensive connectivity or different types of networks and internet services. Students, there should be connection to the data through any services, and it should avail all internet services. From the business analytics view, it is important to know that the data we are looking for may exist on any or many servers or different RDBMS products in different locations connected over different networks, and very likely will be in different format. Students, there are different kinds of users, different users interests, so data could be available in any RDBMS, in any network or any location, and it could be in any format. So students, today we have considered characteristics of IT ready applications. I'll be sending PDF of this. Please write in the notebook. Thank you.